Commercial relocation services, moving your business to Miami. Benefits of moving your business to Miami. Thriving economy. Miami's economy is booming, with significant growth in finance, healthcare, technology, and tourism. Cultural diversity. Miami is a melting pot of cultures and talents. Tips to minimize downtime and ensure a smooth transition. Employee updates. Keep your employees informed about the move and its impact on their roles. Proper labeling. Properly label and organize all items to ensure they are easily identifiable during unpacking. Best Miami Movers, your commercial relocation partner. Packing and unpacking. Professional packing and unpacking services to protect your office equipment and supplies. Specialized equipment handling. Safe handling of sensitive equipment, such as computers, servers, and machinery. Why choose Best Miami Movers for your commercial relocation? They offer customized relocation solutions tailored to your specific needs, from small offices to large corporate moves. Moving your business to Miami can open up a world of opportunities and benefits. If you're considering a business relocation to Miami this summer, contact Best Miami Movers today to learn more about their commercial relocation services and how they can help make your move a success. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.